Okay, my wonderful students, continuing in our activity book, we're going to do the middle of page 78. So we're going to be doing page 78F, page 78F, and it's matching. It's matching. So the first one has been done for us, and it is Walter always. So now we're going to be looking at the opposite of always. So the opposite of always for the answer, Walter always washes his car on Sunday. The answer, so it's going to be always. So we're going to be looking for never. So Walter is a he, so we need to look for he. It's going to be letter C. He never washes it during the week. So we have always, he always washes his car on Sunday. He never washes it during the week. Number two, Jonathan never cooks dinner. So Jonathan is going to be he. So we need to look over and find a he. He. Jonathan never. Oh, so it's going to be the opposite of this. Never. We need to look for he always. He always, letter E, he always eats in a restaurant. He always eats in a restaurant. Number two, Jonathan never cooks dinner. He always eats in a restaurant. Number three, Carla rarely watches comedies. Carla rarely watches comedies. So Carla is she. She usually, letter A, she usually watches dramas. Number four, my grandmother rarely speaks English. So grandmother is going to be she. Rarely, opposite of rarely is usually. She. Going to be G. She usually speaks Spanish. She usually speaks Spanish. Number five, Richard usually jogs in the morning. Richard is he. Now we're looking for the opposite of usually, rarely, jogs. Number five is B. He rarely jogs at night. Number five is letter B. Number six, Larry never writes letters. Never. So we're going to be looking for always. He, because Larry is a he always writes email messages. Letter F. He always writes email messages. Number seven, Nancy rarely studies at home. Nancy is she. Rarely is going to be usually. Studies. So it's going to be she, letter D. She usually studies in the library. She usually studies in the library. Number eight, Jane always fixes her computer. Jane always fixes her computer. So always, never. Letter H for number eight. She never calls a repair person. Okay, so next we're going to be doing the listening.